Hey buddy, I was just thinking about how crucial Azure AD Connect Health is for managing our on-premises identity infrastructure, You've got all these services like ADFS, ADDS, and Azure AD Connect servers that are the backbone of our identity management, right? They're essential, but sometimes they can be a headache, especially because things go wrong without us noticing until it's too late. So, Azure AD Connect Health stepped in like a superhero. It's this amazing tool that constantly monitors the health and performance of our infrastructure, making sure everything is always in check. And when it's not, it throws out alerts and gives us the intel we need to patch things up before they become real problems. Now, imagine for a second, you are all by yourself trying to keep track of hundreds or even thousands of identities, user attributes, and relationships. It's overwhelming, to say the least. Azure AD Connect Health makes a world of difference here. It streamlines and automates routine monitoring tasks, letting you spend less time sweating the little details and more time securing our environment. It's all about making our lives easier, But wait, it gets better. The real beauty of using Azure AD Connect Health lies in its ability to provide real-time insights and analytics. It's like having a dashboard in the cloud. Every time something significant happens, be it a performance dip or an unexpected change, it sends an alert straight to our inboxes or feeds straight into our monitoring tools. That kind of information? It's gold. It helps us understand our infrastructure better, allowing us to make informed decisions about scaling, maintenance, and upgrades. And with Azure AD Connect Health, we can see how these changes affect not just our environment but also how users interact with it, which further helps in planning for capacity and resources. The best part? It's not just limited to the health and performance monitoring that Azure AD Connect Health provides, it has an essential security aspect to it. It makes sure that any issue identified, right down to the root cause, doesn't leave us exposed. By detecting, diagnosing, and taking corrective action quickly, we ensure our information stays safe even from threats we can't see. This way, Azure AD Connect Health enables proactive and intelligent security practices. Now, I know what you are thinking, cool, but how critical is it really? Here's the thing, it's absolutely key. In our hybrid cloud environment, where we juggle between on-premises ID services and cloud services, Azure AD Connect Health gives us the edge. It blends our on-premises ID services with our cloud activities, providing a unified view of our ID infrastructure's health. This not only saves us time, but also reduces the risk of security breaches and downtimes affecting our business processes. And hey, I can tell you are thinking about how you are going to navigate through this vast sea of Azure services and information. Remember, the journey doesn't have to be this alone. Azure AD Connect Health guides you, offering best practices, knowledge bases, and even templates to jumpstart and maintain the health of your infrastructure. It's basically a personal trainer for our IT equipment. Alright, you made it to the end. Now that you've got a handle on how Azure AD Connect Health empowers our business, trust me, it's worth peeping into its depths and exploring its potential in securing and streamlining our IT identity infrastructure. So, for the next bit of adventure together, I'm heading over to neeraj.qzz.io to dive deep into the workings of Azure AD Connect Health and what it brings to the table for us and our company. And remember, keep your curious minds attuned, because subscribe right here on TechLab, where you'll find all the insights and tools you need to keep our infrastructure on point. See you in the cloud, friend.